Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word strange. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. It was strange how the cat would always meow loudly whenever someone walked by the house. Strange means unusual or unfamiliar, causing confusion or surprise. It can refer to something odd, unexpected, or different from what is normal or known. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.